Hello, dear friends. I once again welcome you in our online class today. Yesterday, we have dealt with one of the very important topic of English grammar, and that is determiners. And today, we are dealing with one of the part of determiners, and that is articles. Yes. So I welcome you all in this fresh morning of today, 17th of June 2020, and I am here for your exclusive online class on this topic, and the topic is articles. So, dear friends, as you all know that the article system in English consists of the indefinite article a or an and the definite article the. We can think of nouns in a general way or specific way. When we refer to a singular noun for the first time or refer to things in a general way, we use the indefinite article a or an. When we refer to a particular thing or people or something that has already been mentioned or can be understood, we use the article, and that is the definite article. Now, dear friends, how are these articles affect or impact the basics of English language or English grammar? This is the very important thing. So, I want to say that articles are the very base of each and every sentence. All the determiners, in fact, including articles, possessives, ordinals, demonstratives, along with all the other parts of speeches, including noun, pronoun, prepositions, all these are very important in a sentence. Now, articles actually qualifies a noun. And how? So, I have used a word, or you might have heard about these words, these articles, that indefinite and definite. So, simply I want to tell you that indefinite means that are new to us. We do not know who they are or what are the things they are. That may be. And definite means the person or the thing whom we already know. For example, I give you a simple example to understand this definite and indefinite. See how it is used in this particular sentence. I am reading the sentence. Okay. A snake entered into our house. Okay. A snake entered into our house. All the boys ran to call the watchman. A snake entered in our house. All the boys went to call the watchman. The watchman came and killed the snake. Remember, in my first sentence, the snake is a snake, and in the second sentence, the snake is the snake. The watchman came and he killed that particular snake which came into the house. So, when the students saw that snake, or when the students had seen that snake, it was indefinite. It was not known to them. It was not known to them. But when the watchman came and he decided to kill the snake, he killed that particular snake for which the students called him. So, remember this basic difference about articles: definite and indefinite. So, a and or an are indefinite articles and the is definite article. Okay, fine. Then the indefinite articles a or an are used when we talk about people in a general or indefinite way. Very good. The article a is used before the words which begin with consonant sounds, and an is used before the words beginning with vowel sound. Now what is a and what is an, and what is consonants? What are consonants? What are vowels? So there are 26 letters. Okay, 26 alphabets. So out of those 26 alphabet, 21 are consonants and remaining 5 are vowels. What are they? Vowels: A, E, I, O and U. So all the words begin with consonant sound, we use a article, and before all the words beginning with vowel sound, that is a for aunt, a for apple, u for umbrella, I for ink, singular. Okay, this is very clear. A and R are used before the singular nouns, though they begin with the consonants or with the vowel sounds. However, some words start with a vowel letter, but begin with a consonant sound, so we use article a before these words. So there is some difference here. Let us see. However, some words start with a vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound, so we use the article a before these words. Means there are some words which begin with consonant sound, okay, which begin with consonant sound, but their pronunciation begins with vowel sound. Okay. Simultaneously, there are some words, they begin with vowel sound, but their pronunciation is like a consonant sound. So there are some examples. Please give me a 1 rupee coin. See, 1 is, O is vowel, but its pronunciation is 1 rupee, like W. This is a unique idea. Unique, U is a vowel, but its pronunciation, it sounds like a consonant, unique Y sound. Theirs is a one parent family, W sound. So yes. Now move on to the next Next slide over here. What happened? Yes, yes. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 sec. Yes. Now we use an before words which begin with a vowel sound. For example, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. He had an umbrella. He is an Indian. He is facing an examination in his life. These are the simple, you see, simple vowel sound words, and we use an before it. Some words begin with a silent H. You see, silent H. So we use an before them. For example, he is an honest man. He is an honest. Silent H is there. So it sounds like vowel sound. He is an honest man. I met him an hour ago. R. Though it begins with H, but its pronunciation, its intonation, or it sounds like R. O. We use a or an before singular countable nouns. So this is the next rule for a or an, singular countable noun. For example, Kolkata is a big city. The dog is an animal. Okay, big city, B is consonant, an animal is vowel. Then we use a or an before the names of occupations and professions. His father is an engineer. He is a pilot. Singular. When we use singular noun, regarding the occupations and professions, we use an. The definite article the is used. So now these are the rules for definite article the. Dear friend, this is very important. The definite article the is used before any common noun, and remember, first thing, the is definite article. Okay, definite. The definite article the is used before any common noun. Any common noun, for example, but it should be definite. That is important here. For example, he threw the ball into the river, not any ball. The ball with which they were playing, the ball particularly of a boy, that particular ball. Okay, so that is why it is definite. The boys were not in the class, not in any class. It is definite. See, definite article. So article the is definite article, and it is used before any common noun. The condition is it should be definite. Okay, it should be definite. The is used to refer to specific persons or things also. This is also definite. I want to meet the principal in the school. There is only one principal in the school, particular person, and I want to meet the principal, not any principal, but the principal of my son's school, the principal of my daughter's school. That is why it is definite. So if you know, my dear friend, if you know the difference between definite and indefinite, this will be very easy for you to understand all kinds of articles. I want to meet the principal in the school. It is used with the countable nouns that are used in the singular to refer to things more general. For example, he played the violin for half an hour. the once again I tell you that the is a definite article. So he played the violin for half an or not a violin or anything else. Then it is used to refer to the parts of body. Now we are dealing with use of the article. It is used to refer to the parts of body. If you want to refer, if you need to refer any part of body in any kind of sentences or singularly, you should use the before all parts of body. For example, he caught him by the neck. It is used with time expressions also. I met him in the evening. It is used before something that has already been mentioned. It is also called, that is why it is called as definite article. I met a man at the station. The man belongs to Tamil Nadu. Okay, which man? The definite man whom he met at the station. That is why in the second sentence the is used, and in the first sentence a man, but in the second sentence the man is used. We use the article when we talk about a person or a thing already mentioned. For example, I found a bag. The bag contained gold coins. Again definite. She bought a silk sari. Which sari? The sari is very costly. Which sari? The sari which she bought. Which bag? That bag which he had found. The man in blue dress is my brother. This is the hotel where she lives. Remember, the article qualifies a definite thing or a person. Then the is used before the use of body parts. For example, he was wounded in the arm. Ravi hit him in the head. The heart pumps blood around the body. The lifeguard grabbed the drowning child by the hand. The suitcase hit Jack on the shoulder. See, whenever body parts are used, the article is referred here. Then the next rule, the article is used before a singular noun when you refer to the entire race or category of a person, of an animal or a thing. For example, the tiger is a fierce animal. Is there a single tiger that is fierce? No. It refers to the entire race of tiger, and that is why the article is used. The dog is a faithful animal, not a dog. Jack's dog, John's dog, Rani's dog. No, no, no. The dog is a faithful animal. All the rest of dogs, they are faithful. The cow is the holy animal for Indians. Yes. Not Sham's cow, not Purushottam's cow. No. The cow is a holy animal for Indians. The entire race of cow is holy for Indians. The government plan is for the poor. It is not for any one person. It is for the poor and needy, underprivileged people. So the is used when we want to refer to the entire race or the category, the rich, the poor, the businessman. Okay, all these things. I hope you understand this nicely. Then the is used before superlative degree. Remember, superlative degree. There are three kinds of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, which is qualified by more and all, and the superlative degree. So the article used before all kinds of superlative degrees. For example, he is the best student in our class. So I colored all the articles everywhere. He is the best student in your class. Best is the superlative degree. This is the most beautiful girl in the school. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. I am the shortest person in my family. So the article used before all superlative degrees. Okay, fine. Shall we move on? Yes? Yes, fine. The is used before the names of rivers, mountain ranges, oceans, bays, names of seas also. I forget to mention here in the PPT. Names of seas. For example, the Brahmaputra flows through Assam. Each time when you use the name of a river, name of mountain ranges, name of oceans, bays or seas, you should use the article. The Brahmaputra flows through Assam. The Ganga is considered as holy river. The Pacific Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, the Himalayan ranges, the Sahyadri ranges, the Satpura ranges, and so on. The Nile river flows through Egypt. The Amazon is the key river of New Zealand and all. So these are the examples. Next, very interesting, dear friends. The is used before the names of newspapers and magazines. You see all the newspapers, their names had a prefix. Their names had the article. Their names have the article before. The Indian Express, the Hindu, the Times of India, the Guardian, the India Today. These are the magazines. The Outlook, the National Herald. All the names of newspaper we should use before all the names of newspaper. We should use the article. Then the is used before the nouns, before the names of all musical instruments. This must be new for you. The guitar, the flute, the violin, the harmonium, the percussion, etc. The is used before the historical buildings and monuments also. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Statue of Liberty, the Gateway of India, the Pyramids of Egypt, and so on. Remember, the is used before all the musical instruments and all the historical buildings or monuments and so on. The is used before the names of epics and religious books, Granth. For example, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran, etc. The is used for the names of posts. See, if someone is referred to some post, the principal, the prime minister, the district collector, the manager, etc. In letter writing, you should remember all these things. Remember the names of the newspaper. You should refer the article before all the names, and whenever you write a formal letter, you have to use the principal, the prime minister, the district collector, the electrical engineer, the chief executive officer, the manager, okay, the bookseller, and etc. So you should use the article before all the posts, particularly posts. The is used before the names of directions, my dear friends. Before all the directions, the north, the east, the south, the west, the northeast, etc. The sun rises in the east. See, this is the example. So that's all for today, and I shall be with you with a very new lesson tomorrow, and thank you very much for this. Thank you.